Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about applying your knowledge. There's absolutely no point of having all this knowledge, attaining different levels of degree, attaining the highest level of education, having a whole business proposal and reading all these books about, let's say if you're trying to get into a new career path, reading all about it but without applying. There's so many people that go through life attaining as much knowledge as possible but are not really applying it into everyday life. You have to absolutely be able to learn as much as you can but also apply it, otherwise it's a waste. There's no point of having so much knowledge and just letting it practically rot in your head. You spend so much time, so many people spend so much time and effort, you know, and so much money as well, getting all these self-help books, getting all these how to start a business books, getting all this educational material, but when it really comes down to it, they don't actually take the time to go ahead and apply their knowledge, apply what they've learned. There's nothing that teaches you how to do something better than apply it. So you have to make sure that you're applying your knowledge. Fine, you want to maybe start a successful business or whatever it is, and you've got all these books about how to start a business, how to write a business plan, how to pitch your ideas to investors, whatever it may be. But at some point you're going to have to take your knowledge off the books and actually apply it and actually begin and start that business and apply everything that you've learned. You can only learn so much in the books. Sometimes you don't even realize how much more you can learn by actually doing stuff. It's very important to be able to be knowledgeable, but you also have to be able to apply that knowledge. That's the only way you can grow, become better and become the best version of yourself. There's no point of spending so much time planning and practically sitting on your dreams and practically sitting on whatever it is that you're trying to be by thinking, I don't know enough, I need to learn, I'm not sure, I need to find out more information about it. Sometimes you find out more information when you actually dive and get right into it. So if you're trying to become a better you, whatever that looks like, make sure that you're applying the knowledge that you're learning along the way. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what skills you're currently working on and what skills you have, and I'll see you in my next one.